Okay, let's look at some examples. Okay, we're graphing lines that have a point and a slope. Okay, the big idea, y'all, is we're going to start out graphing the point, and then we're going to use the rise and run of the slope to travel to a second point. Okay, so let's do these together. Problem 1, negative 2, 1 is the starting point. So you want to find negative 2, 1. Okay, negative 2 on your x-axis, across from 1 on your y-axis. So put a point there. Slope is 3, but I want to write 3 as a fraction because it isn't a fraction right now. Okay, to turn any integer into a fraction, just put a 1 underneath it. Okay, 3 divided by 1 is 3. I just gave you a place to get in the habit of writing your slope as a fraction, and to also think about up, down, right, left. Okay, so in this problem, if the rise is a positive 3, that means up. If the run is a positive 1, that means right. Okay, so from our point negative 2, 1, we're going to go, you don't have to do this yourself when you do examples. I'm just trying to show you what I'm thinking. I'm going to travel up 3 spaces over 1. Okay, then I'm going to draw my second point. And then I'm just going to connect them. And I know that on your draw-its, you don't have a way to use a ruler, so just make it as nice as you can. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I drew a line through the 2 points. Draw arrows to show it goes on forever both directions. Okay, problem 2, 3, negative 1 is the starting point. Okay, we're going to go over to 3 on the x-axis, then go down across from negative 1 on your y-axis. Draw a point. Use the slope of negative 1/2. Okay, now I know you probably thinking, yeah, that's a fraction, but that negative needs to belong somewhere. So let's take that negative symbol and put it with the top. Okay, don't put it with both. See, a negative divided by negative is equal to a positive, and that would have changed it. So just keep the negative with the top number for now. So when we use it to travel, that would be down because the rise is negative, and right because the run is positive. So from the point, we're going to go down 1 space, right 2 spaces, and we end up right there. Okay, down 1, right 2. You draw your second point as best you can. Draw a straight line. It connects them both. Try to extend it a little bit and draw arrows to show it goes on forever. Okay, the last one, 0.04, slope negative 2. Start at 0, negative 4. I'm sorry, 0, positive 4. Here's 0. Up until you're at 4. Okay, negative 2 is a fraction. As a fraction, it would be negative 2 over 1. Hope you can hear me over the airplane. Okay, a negative 2 for the rise is down. A positive 1 for the run would be right. So from negative 2, or from 0.04, we're going to travel down to right 1. And we end up right there. Okay, straight line as best you can, even if it's freehand. And arrows to show that it goes on forever both directions. Okay, do the best you can on these. Do the draw-its and then check the solutions and just correct them if you miss them, and keep me posted if you're having trouble. But the big idea, we graphed the point first, and then we used the slope as a fraction, so we would know the rise and the run, and we used the rise and the run to travel to a second point. Okay, keep me posted.